to use the Reflect tool in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. We are at the Adobe Illustrator workspace, and I went ahead and drew half of the heart so I can demonstrate how to reflect this half of the heart and turn it to a full heart, okay? So the Reflect tool located to the left hand side of the Adobe Illustrator workspace, which is in this toolbar here. By default, it's the Rotate tool, okay? If you come to the toolbar and you see the Rotate tool, the Reflect tool is high under the Rotate tool. So click on the tool. Make sure you select the objects first before the Reflect tool is working, okay? So again, go to Select tool, select the object, and then come back for the Reflect tool, or you use a shortcut, letter O, that for Reflect tool. This is a trick, guys. You hold down Alt and press on the center line. You want to reflect exactly the opposite side and lay right in the middle, okay? So make sure it's a vertical 90°, and I like to leave the preview mode on. You see, when I have the preview mode on, you can see this, how the heart flip exactly in the middle, okay? And then you click copy. Alright, so after we reflect, we almost always right click and join, because two objects if we don't join them. So we're gonna join by select both of the objects and then right click and join. And that's how you use the Reflect tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. If you think this video is useful, please click on the like and subscribe button below for more useful contents. Thanks for watching Design Lisa. I'm Rose, and you can design anything.